This is Kemoro. Today I'd like to show you about how to implement the Firebase login for the email and the password. Also the email verification function for the Android app using the Kotlin. So let's begin. So what I'm gonna do is like register here, and I'm gonna put my email, and let's say the password something like this. And then when I register, okay, so welcome my gmail.com and then sign out. However, the email actually is now sent to me. So this one, the verify your email. So when I hit this, so the email verify has been done. So with this, actually I can just log in like this. However, I didn't show you. However, if I didn't verify the email, my login will be blocked. It says like please verify your email first to log in. So this feature, let's begin. So here is the Firebase project. Whatever you need to do first is to create a Firebase project. So let me go like this. So add a project, so whatever your name, and then just create. So for this one, I already created like Kotlin Firestore. So because I'm making another app called like using the Firestore. However, in here I'm gonna just use the authentication. So authentication, you need to first enable it. So right now I already registered my email. So my email is written right here, and my user UID kind of stuff. So before that, if you go to the project, you need to add your app. So so you hit Android. So here you need to add your package name. So package name is, okay, I'm sorry, I just back and forth. However, all my code, the source code is already up in the GitHub. So if you are just wanna copy and paste and stuff, or just you can use it, of course. And also if you are creating your own app, if you think this feature is quite nice, and then you can just implement this. However, my point is like you can just always go to refer the source code. So to check your package name, please go to the Android manifest. And Android manifest, there is, well, okay, my bad. So to check the package name, I guess you need to go to the application level. Yes, this one. Application level Gradle file. So when you copy this, and you can add this here, and this is optional. So and you can register. So when you register, you need to do the two stuff. One is to add the dependencies into your application. So this is something I'm going to describe just in short. And download and then add a config file. So you once you download this config file, it's a Google services.json. So how to add this? So you go to the project here, and under the app, you just copy your downloaded one and just drag and drop into this app. So for me, I already drag and drop the Google services.json, so please do so. So here, this package name is important, so this needs to be aligned with this register app. So once you register your app, it's gonna show like this, okay, something like this. So after that, you go to the authentication, then you go to the sign-in method and the email password to be enabled. So at first, it's not enabled, so please make it enable. So after that, this is already Firebase side is done. So this is gonna take like something like 10 minutes. So after that, please go back here. Please go back to app. So I'm gonna briefly go through my code. So the top level build of Gradle file, the Kotlin file is, I didn't change anything. However, I added one line. So this is actually you will be instructed when you add your application. So these lines, the Google GMS, Google services, right, like this. And then in your application level Gradle file, yeah, just make sure to go back to Android. And the application level Gradle file, you need to add this one as well. And also this one, the Firebase BOM and Firebase Analytics, Firebase OS KTX. Also the this one is not needed for now, but if you're using the Firestore, the real-time like a database, you need to add this. But now you don't need. But for me, I'm implementing something with this, so I just added. But basically, these three. Just make sure add these three. So now I'm going to explain the activity files. So there is the three activity files: home activity, login, and register. So okay, let's go one by one. So by the way, if you don't know, if you are very new to the Android application, there is usually activity has one XML file for the layout. So the home activity will do something for the UI with the activity home, okay, and the login and register and so on. So the home activity, I have few import intent, bundle, and button text view, and app compile activity, and a Firebase OS. So the home activity is the app compile activity, and the lay init var, so that lay init variables as a Firebase OS. So this is of course initialized in the on create as a Firebase OS.get instance. So here I'm taking the text view and the sign out button. So text view, basically the welcome text view. So when you log in, you will see this home screen. It says the welcome and the user email. So the user information is taken from user.current user. And the sign out button is set on the quick listener and also sign out. And it's go back to the login activity and finish. Okay. So for the login activity, let's go to the register activity first. Register activity, of course, the register stuff, and there is a toast and app compact activity and a Firebase OS. Again, the same things. However, there is a little bit more to load: email, password, register button, and login text view. So you will go to the register XML. You will see the linear layout. So basically, this is the vertical stack. The edit text to be the email, password, and the button for the register, and the text view to be already registered, please already have an account, log in here. This is going to be the text and the button at the same time. So like here, so login text view, set activity to go to the login activity. So register user is register button have an on-click listener with the email and the password. So if it's successful, just use the OS, create user with email password. And if it's successful, verification email sent. This is the toast make text dot show. And else the fail to send a verification email like this. And if anything happened with the registration, register fail with some already email is taken or something like that. If the register is successful, start activity for the home activity. So you will see the welcome screen. So once the register is done, the login activity almost same, just have a lay init var, the Firebase OS, and have email, password, login button, and register text view. So for login, it's a little bit the difference is if the email, the user is taken from also the current user, although the user is logged in, if the email is not verified, just show the please verify email, it won't let you go into this home activity. If the email is verified already, then just let the user go to the home screen and see the welcome screen. So that's it. That's pretty much it. So the Android manifest, I didn't change anything. So of course, the login activity will be launched as a launch time. It will show you the login activity, and other activities, the register activity and home activity like this. So thank you for watching. So if you like this kind of implementation in this channel, I'm usually making the Android and iOS, the web application, some kind of fast prototyping, so that you can integrate this feature into your own application. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any comments and like questions, please leave it in the comment section below. So thank you for watching. See you in the next prototyping. Bye bye.